Hey everybody, welcome back. And in this video, you're going to need a paper and a pencil. So I will let you stop the video and get those things. And then when you have them, click back on and we'll continue. Okay, on your paper, please do this with me. And we're going to set up our paper for this video. Okay, up at the top on the left, put O, O. And then next to it, put a little rectangle, put a little pole, like as you're to hold it up, because this is going to be our sign. Do a quick little sketch of an elephant. Remember the circle, the triangle, and the pointed trunk. Okay. Alrighty, and in that sign, put Z-O-O, zoo. Okay, and that helps us remember that double O can say ooh, like at the end of zoo. Okay. Now, under double O, on this side, number through 4, please. Okay, let's come on over to the right and let's do the same thing. Let's put double O again. And I'm going to do just like a little log, a little wooden log. Okay, and that can help us remember that double O can also say like in the middle of wood. Okay, and then under that, number 1 through 4. Okay, so this is how your paper should look when you get it set up. Okay, and there we go. Okay, now remember with double O, we have a diphthong. Now I think we can see that the whole board. Okay, and with a diphthong, we know the two vowels side by side join together as one to make a new special sound. So it's like they get married. Okay, so we have two vowels, but just one sound together. Okay, and double O can actually make two special sounds. Okay, it can say ooh, like at the end of zoo, or we can remember it as stinky, ooh. And double O can also say like in the middle of wood. And we can also remember it as punchy, like getting punched, uh. Okay, so this is our focus for the week. The diphthong double O, and double O can make two sounds, ooh or Okay, now, if we know the sounds in the keywords, we can do other words with the same sounds and patterns because we remember and know them. So what we're going to do here in this video is we're going to spell some other words with double O, ooh, and some other words with double O, ugh. And since we are going to be spelling, we're going to do a 3-dotted line to help us sound out as we need to when we spell and write down the letters we hear for our sounds. Okay? Alrighty, let's start with double O, ooh, and our first word is soon. Pound it, soon. Pointer up, say it slowly, sound out as you need to. Ooh, soon. What do we hear first? S. Well, we hear an S. Let's write it. What do we hear next? Ooh. Well, we hear ooh, and we know double O can be ooh. And what do we hear at the end? Soon. We hear an N. Okay, now if we blend the sounds, put them back together again, and read the word, this word is soon. Like, hopefully, we will have warm weather every day soon. Okay, so hopefully soon enough, every day will be warm with sunshine and not some of this cool business that we've been having. Okay, let's go ahead and go down to the next one. It's two. Pound it. Two. Pointer up, say it slowly, sound out as you need to. Ooh, two. What do we hear first? Well, it's a T. What do we hear last? Ooh. Well, we hear ooh, and we know double O together can say ooh. Okay, put it back together again. What is this word? Two. Okay, like I ate too much food last night. Or this can mean like me too, like I want to do that too. Okay, let's keep it going. Our next one is cool. Pound it, cool. Pointer up, say it slowly, sound out as you need to. Ooh, oh, cool. What do we hear first? Well, it's a C. What do we hear next? Ooh, well, we hear ooh, and we know double O can be ooh. And then what do we hear last? Ooh, oh, well, we hear an L, oh. Put it back together again. What is this word? Cool. Like the weather was very cool today, and indeed it was. Okay, let's do our last one. It's tooth. Pound it. Tooth. Pointer up. Say it slowly. Sound out as you need to. Ooh, the tooth. What do we hear first? Well, we hear a T. What do we hear next? Ooh. Well, we hear ooh, and we know double O can be ooh. And then what do we hear last? Ooh, th. Well, we know TH can be th. Okay? Put it back together again. What is it? It's tooth. Like maybe you have lost a tooth. Okay? Alrighty, let's read all of our words with double O, ooh. Soon, two, cool, and tooth. Okay, let's go right on over to double O, and let's do our first one. It is look. Pound it, look. Pointer up, say it slowly, sound out as you need to. Oh, look. What do we hear first? Oh, well, it's an L. What do we hear next? Oh, well, we know double O can be And what do we hear last? Oh, well, we hear a K. Put it back together again. What is this? Look. Like, please look where you're going. Okay? Alrighty. Now, to make look took, all I have to do is change that first letter to a T. Now my beginning sound is T, and the word becomes took. Like I took a train to work. And please write these with me and practice with me. Okay? To make it book, all I have to do is change that beginning letter to a B. Okay, now my beginning sound is B, and the word becomes book. Like I like to read a good book. Okay? And finally, let's do our last word, cook. And to make it cook, I just change the beginning letter to a C. Now my beginning sound is k, and now the word is cook. Like we will cook a big dinner tomorrow. Okay? Now let's read our double O words. Look, took, book, cook. Again, look, took, book, cook. And look, took, book, cook belong to the same word family. That means they rhyme and end the same in double OK, ook. Okay, and word families make things easier. All we have to do is change that beginning sound. Okay, they rhyme in the same. First vowel through the end is the same. Okay, so that makes things easier to know our words that go together in families. Okay, alrighty, it's like they have that same last name. In this family, it's double OK, ook. Okay, well, that easily we have done words with both sounds of the double O. Double O, ooh, like zoo and stinky, and double O, like in the middle of wood and punchy, like getting punched. Okay, and this is going to be our focus for the week, or is our focus for the week. So when you take your phonics quiz, you are going to be spelling and writing words with double O, okay, that have both of these sounds, oo and So think about that as you work on the quiz this week. Okay, before we close out of this, I want you to write this bigger word down at the bottom. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Now, this is a bigger two-syllable word, so let's circle the two syllables inside. Cray, on, crayon. Now, I want you to take a look at just the first syllable. Here we have that AY at the end. And AY is one of those vowel teams that commonly comes at the end of a word. Well, if it can come at the end of a word, it can come at the end of a syllable. Okay, so here is AY, maybe in the middle of the bigger word, but it's at the end of the first syllable. Okay, I want you to take a look at another bigger word, and this one is kitchen. So Kitchen. Okay, and it's a bigger two-syllable word, so let's circle the syllables inside. Kitch and kitchen. Okay, now take a look at just the first syllable. Okay, TCH usually comes at the end of a word after a short vowel. Well, if it can come at the end of a word after a short vowel, it can come at the end of a syllable after a short vowel. So here it is at the end of the first syllable after short I. It might be in the middle of the bigger word, but at the end of the first syllable. Okay, what is the point to this? The point is those syllables work just like little words inside the bigger word, okay, with the same rules about vowels. Okay, so however we spell a sound in a word is how we can spell a sound in a syllable. Okay, and if we spell those syllables just like little words, that will help us spell bigger words with different syllables correctly. Okay, so thinking about that can really help you with your spelling, especially with bigger words. Okay. Alrighty, but that finishes out our double O focus with double O saying ooh and So remember the sounds of double O on your phonics quiz this week.